One shot, now the future is yours.
Hey guys, Alex Ariaga, Gordon LaGilly Construction. We're here in front of 12H. This one is currently sold as well, 3-bedroom, 2-bath. But we want to come on in and take a look at the progress. These homes are moving along pretty fast, so let's come on in and take a look. Oh. Nice 8-foot wood doors as your front entrance. Looks like they're starting the flooring in here. Got a nice foyer when you walk in to the right. You got the 2-car garage. Hey guys, how are you doing? Nice open tray ceiling in the living room. Fully opened up into the kitchen. Leads into your back porch. Your master is going to be off to the right here. And let's take a look in the master. So this feels a little beachy in here with this beach color. Leads into your master bathroom. You got your dual vanity, walk-in shower, toilet area, and master closet as well. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. If you're looking for something like that, we can get you in about the $280 range. 3-bedroom, 2-bath, give us a call.